Welcome to Miss Lam's Math World. Today we are going to discuss how to satisfy the conditions to answer the 2016 question 19b correctly. So the question asks whether we can find the angle, this angle A, B, C is the angle in between AB and the plane BCD. And to do so, we need to satisfy two conditions. Number one, whether angle ACB is 90 degrees. So if yes, then we check step 2, angle ACD, if it is also 90 degrees. So how does it look like? So it means we are going to put it one by one, right? So the first one, we have to make sure that angle ACD is 90 degrees. So if it is a yes, so I try to move it left and right, right? And see if AC is the projection of A. Alright, so in this case, if you move to the left or right, doesn't mean it is not the case. So let's take a look again. So at the beginning, okay, I put a C here, and in this case, angle ACB is not correct. Okay, not correct, because this angle is surely less than 90, or we say it does not equal to 90 degrees. And now we move again. Okay, in this point, it is too large, right? Greater than 90 degrees. And you can see again, it is not the projection, right? So the correct projection is somewhere here. That means you cannot use this angle, not correct. Alright, now you can see that we move and already you get this one touched for 86.5 degrees, right? So if we touch them together in this way, that means it is not the angle required, right? So you can see that the projection of A to the ground is not C. It will be somewhere here. So this is correct projection, right? Okay, so that means for the conclusion, which is if I want to check if the angle is correct, number one, we want to see if PBC is the projection, number one, by checking angle ACB is equal to 90 degrees, number one. After that, I want to check its projection, so you need to have angle ACD is 90 degrees also, so that we can make sure that the projection is BC. And you get the projection, so you will be able to get the correct angle, which is angle ABC. Alright, so that's why in the solution key, we have to find angle ACB, number one, and number two, we find angle ACD. So I hope you will understood how to make sure that angle ABC is not really the angle in between, because one of them is not 90. But what if the angle is not 90 degrees? So you can see that if it is not equal to 90 degrees for this one, it's not the same. So we have to find its projection and then put it here. And then after that, we have to check whether you got another point and see if it is also right angle, so that this is the projection, right? So the story is a little bit different, okay? And then this time we are actually not checking ACD anymore. ACD, not checking this one anymore, right? But we will actually try to find other points on the angle to do it. So it will be a little bit more difficult. Alright, So that's the end of today's math lesson. See you next time.